Hi, my name is Blake, and I'm going to take you through a few steps to show you how to use the new RIT Daily Health Screening. It's easy and will help keep everyone safe on campus. You will receive an email every morning, and you will need to complete the screening before you come to campus or leave your dorm. When you get the email, click on the link or go to dailyhealth.rit.edu. The screening can be used on iPhone and Android mobile phones. It will also work on Chrome, Firefox, Edge, IE11, desktop or laptop computer browsers. If you don't have an internet connection, you can call 585-438-5257. You will need to know your university ID number to complete the screening. Go ahead and click on the login. Then, click the next box that says Sign in with your corporate ID. That will take you to the RIT page that will ask for your RIT username and password. You will then see the page Complete Your Self-Assessment. Click on I agree, let's start. Next, the screen will give you a list of the possible symptoms of COVID-19. Please read the list carefully. It includes things like loss of taste or smell, chills and or fever above 100, sore throat not related to allergies, feeling ill, tired, or muscle aches, strange headaches or eye pain, a new cough or change in cough, new or increased difficulty breathing, abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, or loss of appetite. A recent contact with a person who tested positive for COVID-19. If you are not experiencing any of these symptoms, click No, which will take you to a Cleared to Circulate on Campus pass, and you're good to go. However, if you are experiencing any of these symptoms, click Yes. That will take you to a screen asking a follow-up question. Can any of these symptoms be explained by medication, recent consumption of food and or alcohol, or allergen exposure? If your symptoms are caused by any of these, click Yes, and you'll receive the Cleared to Circulate on Campus pass. But if your symptoms are not a result of medication, food, alcohol, or allergies, click No or Unsure, and you'll get a Stop, Do Not Report to RIT pass. You will be directed to either contact your physician if you are either faculty or staff, or the Student Health Center if you're a student. Now, you're all set. Some things to remember. Your pass for the day will be saved in your My COVID-19 Day Pass section. At any time during the 24-hour period, click on My COVID-19 Day Pass to retrieve that day's pass. You can also download the Daily Pass by clicking the green button. You need to log into the daily health screening 7 days a week. That means even on the weekends when you're not going to classes or coming to campus. If you experience any problems with the daily screening, contact the ITS Service Desk at 585-475-4357 or visit their website at help.rit.edu. If you have medical questions, contact your health professional or the RIT Student Health Center at 585-475-2255 or email studenthealth@rit.edu. Thank you for being RIT ready and helping to keep our communities safe.